Guys, welcome back to Gallin Garage. I'm filming out of my phone, but look what's behind me. What? That's my tuner's car, which is 700 horsepower. Guys, so like you saw in the video, we were in the dyno watching my boy putting 900 horsepower in the RSX turbo. You're gonna see the pictures in a minute. Badass. So what that means, opening with that, because I have something here before I say anything that I got here for the CRX, and I'm so excited about it. Hit like, hit share. Thank you for 308 subscribers. Let's go, guys. What do I have surprise for the CRX? So I went and I talk about it. Thank you for my guy Javi Tune. You can find him at Instagram. Just put Javi Tune. You have an RSX with 900 horsepower, sick turbo setup. Thank you, Javi. I got my kPRO. I got my kPRO with me from Honda. I already put it on the car. I haven't started the car yet. I put it on the car. I'm gonna put my dashboard. I'm gonna put up all that stuff, get all that back together, and go for a ride. See how the car feels. In the meantime, hang out with me, putting the kPRO back together, putting a couple of the wires, and putting my dashboard back together. But I got a sticker I got to put in my toolbox area. You know, that's a tradition. Other stickers that I use, people that I work with. So, alright guys, so what I'm doing right here is I have to get the computer better, and then I got this little gadget that I have to go from the computer, and I want to bring it right about here or there, so when Javi's tuning my car, he don't have to dismantle the whole thing. So let's start doing with this first. So hold on real quick. See, I got another, the way I did this, basically, Okay, so what I'm doing right now is connecting back my harnesses. This one's right here. Oh my God. All right. So let's see if my dashboard will work. There we go. Tanker's working, fuel's working, lights is working. Beautiful. So let me turn that off. Before I put the dashboard back, or before I put all this back right here, I want to connect my push start. It goes in this corner right here. That's beautiful. Goes in there. And then these two fellas, I have to reach them through here. Right, it usually goes right here on the bottom. And you know, before I had my S2000 cluster working, I had to rely on this. Reason why, because my cluster wasn't working. I was so much impatient to drive my S2000, my CRX, that I wanted that thing done like ASAP. Again, before I put anything, boom, boom, that gauge is working. I just got to do the setup in a minute. Green, orange, just like the S2, and then hold this button right here. It should be moving. There you go. I'm gonna put it to about 190, 200 right there, and then I hold it back. Nope. And that's what I want my fuel on. Then I turn it off, turn it back on, and he's gonna be there. Boom. All right. So that's done. Now we're gonna mess with this baby right here. This is basically the 2 points to hold it right here, 2 other points here, and then I got this right here, goes underneath this way, because this is what holds this in place. So let me get that to that, and then I put everything else back. I gotta clean this, the dashboard, this, a little bit more here, put everything back together, and I can take it for a test drive. Yeah, baby. My K-tune, I gotta connect that back again too. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I never disconnected, so that we good on that. So let's start with this. Go up. And then we go up. We're gonna go there. Make sure that you're you can see it right here, guys. You can move this back and forth just like that, because that's from this. So you can move it up. There we go. I got one in. And then do the same thing the other side. Boom. You can loosen this up if you want to get more. There we go. There we go. This right here is basically the cluster thing. You can see it's still original on mine. So you don't want to tie it all the way down. Reason why, because you got 4 other bolts you want to hold on to. So now it's resting there. You got bolts right here, bolts right there. And these beautiful bolts, they're gonna come down here to match up to the thing. So it can be like that. So, with that said, let's get to it. At this point, the number 12 you need for this is right here. Like I said, never hit it with a gun till you sure you have it. I mean, sure you screw a couple times in. Hey, my hostas are working. And this is the one that's a little bit pain in the ass because it's behind the harnesses. Just put it there, wiggle it around. There we go, that's in. Now we're gonna go for this one. Well, you do this one right here, bring it down, make sure you have your screw with you, because you're going to need them. Besides putting the glove compartment on, everything else is done tight. I got what I wanted here for when I get tuned. I got to put my my base oil right here, and then clean and vacuum the car, take it for a test drive. I haven't drove this car in about 2-3 weeks, and I cannot wait to see how it handles on the road. And when I said long drive, I'm going to clear this with Armor All and all this stuff, make sure it looks pretty. I'm going for a nice drive, see how the car handles, how the temperature handles, because I did a couple modifications, and how the cluster is going to handle if you check engine on or anything like that. In the meantime, stay by, relax, and I gotta get my other GoPro. This was about to die. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I got everything done. I haven't cleaned it up, but this is how it works. There's the car. No check engine on. This is the best part, having this system in the car. I'm gonna hit the app. I'm going to look for kPRO, and this is the kPRO app. As soon as you see that, alright, so I can check my check engine right here. I can check all my throttle position. Right now it's about 7.5. My map is negative, throttle is 47%, everything, battery is 14%, everything checks right there. And then right here you see my idle, my speed, when VTEC kick in and everything. So I got a GoPro out there for the motor. I'm gonna put you guys in the back and we're gonna go for a ride. So stay tuned. Finished my driving my CRX. It's badass. I did had problems in the beginning with the radiator cap. I figured out I did had the reservoir. I eliminated that, so I took out a little bit of water on it, let it run for 2.5 hours. Then I was looking for a 20-minute, 30-minute drive. Handles great. I cannot wait to tune it. No check engine lights. Response good. So when we get it to the dyno, I'm going to fix a couple things. Have a good day. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.